Hello, I'm Sridhar. In this video, I'm going to explain about the Lewis acids and bases theory. It is the main topic of uh, acids and bases. In previous class, we were discussed about the Arrhenius acids and bases theory and Bronsted-Lowry acid base theory. Okay, recap once again those concepts. According to Arrhenius acid base theory, an acid definition is a substance which can give H plus ions in aqueous solution is called acid. Examples are HCl, H2SO4, etc. According to Arrhenius, the base is defined as a substance which can give hydroxyl ion in aqueous solution is called as Arrhenius base. Examples are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, etc. According to Bronsted and Lowry concept, the proton donors are the Bronsted-Lowry acid. Examples for H2O, HCl, H2SO4, etc. The bases are, according to Bronsted-Lowry, proton acceptors are called as Bronsted-Lowry bases. Examples are H2O, OH minus, Cl minus, etc. Now, in this Lewis acid base theory, we have to discuss about the what are the acids and what are the bases, etc. and its strength, etc. Okay, in this topic, okay, in this period, we have to able to know the understand the Lewis theory of acids and bases. According to Lewis theory, an acid is defined as a substance which can accept a pair of electrons and forms a coordinate covalent bond is called as Lewis acid. According to Lewis, the base is defined as a substance which can donate a pair of electrons to another substance and forms a coordinate covalent bond is called as Lewis base. Okay, here simply we can say it as Lewis acid is an electron pair acceptor or electrophile, and Lewis base is an electron pair donor or nucleophile. Let us discuss one example of formation of ammonia boron trifluoride. Here ammonia plus boron trifluoride gives rise to ammonia boron trifluoride molecule. Here he was given the information about salt definition also. The formation of coordinate covalent bond between the acid and base is called as salt. Here ammonia, in ammonia, nitrogen is a central atom. It has one lone pair of electrons, and here in the boron trifluoride, boron is a central atom. It has one empty orbital. Okay, whenever nitrogen donates a pair of electrons to the boron, it forms a coordinate covalent bond between the ammonia and boron trifluoride. That is the bond between the nitrogen and boron, and here formed product is called as salt. And next one is one more example. Okay, in this one we observe the boron trifluoride is acts as an acid, ammonia is acts as base. And next example, the formation of ammonium ion. In this ammonia, nitrogen is a central atom. It has one lone pair of electron. H plus ion, it has one empty orbital. Then when ammonia donates a protons, lone pair of electrons to the proton, and it forms a coordinate covalent bond between the ammonia and hydrogen ion. Okay, the coordinate covalent bond is is between nitrogen to the hydronium ion. Okay, then here formed ammonium ion is called here salt. Here H plus ion is acts as acid, ammonia is acts as base. Next, one more example, when boron trifluoride is reacts with the fluoride ions and it forms the Bf3 Bf4 minus. Okay, that is in this boron trifluoride, boron is the central atom. Its configuration 1s2 2s2 2p1 means the in 2p orbital it has two more empty orbitals. Fluorine atom, in fluorine it has 1s2 2s2 2p6. These are completely fulfilled electrons. Means whenever getting negative charge, it indicates one extra pair of electrons on the orbit on the fluorine. Here when fluoride ion donate a lone pair of electrons to the boron, here the fluoride ion is acts as base, here accepting a pair of electrons from the fluoride ion, then it is acid. Then the formed bond between the fluorine to boron trifluoride, then it is an a Bf4 minus ion, then it is a, according to him it is an a salt. Okay, some following species can be acts as a Lewis acids and Lewis bases. First of all, we have to discuss about the types of Lewis acids. Okay, the molecules in which central atom has an incomplete octet electron configuration. Just now we discussed the boron trifluoride. It is having boron is having incomplete octet electron configuration in their outer shell. Boron trichloride, aluminum trichloride, magnesium chloride, beryllium chloride, etc. Okay, these are all acts as Lewis acids because of these are having incomplete octet electron configuration. And next one is the simple cations are acting as Lewis acids. Examples are Na plus, Ka plus, sodium plus ion, potassium plus ion, calcium plus 2 ion are having the very little tendency to accepting the electrons. Then these are acting as Lewis acids. Okay, next one is cations like NaH plus, Ag plus are having the greater tendency to accepting the electrons, accepting the pair of electrons. Then those are acting as Lewis acids. Next one is the molecules in which central atom has empty d orbitals. Example: silicon tetrachloride, silicon tetrafluoride, germanium tetrachloride, germanium tetrafluoride, stannous tetrachloride, stannous tetrafluoride, phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus trifluoride, sulfur tetrafluoride, sulfur hexafluoride, etc. Not hexafluoride. Okay, these are all atoms: silicon, germanium, stannous, phosphorus, sulfur are the central atoms. These are having the empty d orbitals. Then those were having capable to accepting the pair of electrons, then these are all acting as Lewis acids. And next one is molecule having a multiple bond between the dissimilar atoms. Dissimilar atoms. Okay, but that is due to the electronegativity of those atoms. Okay, examples are carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide. In the when we observe carbon and oxygen, double bond nature in the carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and also two oxygen atoms are bonded with two sulfur atoms. Okay, that is sulfur trioxide are also having the double bond between the sulfur and oxygen atoms. Then these were all acting as Lewis acids. And next one is types of Lewis bases. All the negative ions, okay, those are called as anions. Cl minus, F minus, chloride minus, chloride ion, fluoride ion, hydroxyl ions, cyanide ions, oxide ions, sulfate ions. Okay, these are all having the extra lone pair of electrons. Those are all capable to donate a pair of electrons to another substance. Then these are all acts as Lewis bases. Okay, next one is the molecules containing one or more lone pairs of electrons at a central atom. That is H2O, ammonia, phosphorus trichloride, alcohols, and amines. Here in H2O, oxygen is central atom, it has two lone pair of electrons. Ammonia, nitrogen central atom, it has one lone pair of electrons. Phosphorus trichloride has one lone pair of electrons. Alcohol, in this alcohol, oxygen is having the oxygen is the central atom, it has two lone pairs of electrons. In amines, nitrogen is central atom, it has one lone pair of electron, and these are all acts as Lewis bases. The next one is molecules containing multiple bonds between the carbon atoms. Examples like alkenes and alkynes, ethylene, propylene, ethyl alcohol, etc. Okay, these are all acts as Lewis bases. And next one, let us discuss about the limitations of Lewis theory. Okay, this theory fails to explain the strength of the acids and bases. And according to Arrhenius theory or normal concept, the acid base reactions are very fast. According to Lewis acid base theory, these are very slow. Okay, he fails to explain the neutralization concept. Okay, according to him, a substance should form the coordinate covalent bond between the atom, between the substances. Then he was treated as acid or base. But HCl and H2SO4 cannot form coordinate covalent bond with any other substances. So according to him, these are not acids. Okay, in this topic we discussed the what is an acid means. According to Lewis acid, electron pair acceptors are the Lewis acids, bases are the electron pair donors. Lewis acid and base form a coordinate covalent bond. Cations are the Lewis acids, anions are the Lewis bases. We have discussed these are all. And also now we have to discuss about the quiz concepts. What is the Lewis acid from the following? ammonia, water, phos- phosphorus trichloride, boron trifluoride. In this, right answer is boron trichloride. Here the boron is having empty orbital. It has capable to accepting a pair of electrons. And next one is, which is the Lewis base from the following? Boron trifluoride, ammonia, boron trichloride, HCl. In this, right answer is ammonia. Our next concept is, which of the following, which ion is the Lewis acid? Which of the what is the which of the which ion is the Lewis acid? In this, Cl minus, Mg plus 2, O minus 2, HCl. Okay, in this concept, right answer is magnesium plus 2 ion. It has empty orbitals. And next one is, what are the frequently asked questions in this topic is, state and explain the Lewis theory of acids and bases. And sometimes they may ask a question, all the Lewis bases are Bronsted-Lowry bases, explain with one example. All the Lewis bases are Bronsted-Lowry bases, explain with an example. Because in the both the case, those are capable to donate a pair of electrons, then those are treated as Lewis bases as well as Bronsted-Lowry bases. And some most of the time they may ask as a question, write the types of Lewis acids and Lewis bases with suitable examples. And then, thank you.